Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. Or actually a brand new video. So today we're actually going to be doing a little bit of a road trip. We got my little limp brother right here, and we're actually going to be going out to Mexico. We're going to be having a fun little trip. It's going to be a family trip. It's going to be for like a week long, and we're basically on the road right now. We're going to see what little adventures we can get on with, and yeah, let's pretty much hit the road. Oh, my legs hurt too. Oh, after being on the road for so long, freaking 5 hours almost on the road, 4 hours, man, my legs are killing me. So after probably 3-4 hours of just being straight up on the road, my legs are absolutely killing me. Thank God we actually stopped for the restroom. All of us, it basically looks like our feet were hurting, but yeah, thank God we did stop to the restroom. And the funny thing is about this place, the only reason that we usually stop at this exact gas station is because on that big billboard sign, it used to say para cagar a gusto, which means in English to take a shit in peace, which is honestly really funny. That's basically what got our attention, and they have really good restrooms here compared to a lot of other places. But yeah, this is one of our little stops before getting to our destination, and once we get to our destination, I'll basically show a little bit, even though it might be dark. Tag. You're it. Run, run, run. Run, 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 run. 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 No, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Run! Alright everybody, so we basically just made it back to our, well, where we actually stay at our house here in Mexico. But yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, be sure that y'all go down below and comment what y'all like the best about this video and what y'all think I can improve on these videos with. But yeah, without further ado, hope y'all like this video, and I'll see you on the next one.